paging of the security. Zanu PF has created its own problems. If there's anything that you don't tamper with, is the security. My police are they've paged. Mnangagwa wachihuri makudzinga. Chira igona basa. Ko ndiyanga commissioner general pango yacho munomdzingire. Ndiyaipa my instructions. Madzinga. Kusiyawo vanhu vanga izinde vabonyongwe. Inini chero kungopejana kuti yanga vabonyongwa dzingwa basa. Ku army uyu angara nadzingwa basa. Ma generals ma posta kuite maite ma ambassador. Can I tell you, there's no general who wants to be an ambassador. There's no general who wants to be an ambassador. Because they want to defend their country. They want to die in the military. There's no police officer who wants to be any other thing other than die being a police officer. Same as the Central Intelligence Organization. That's the environment. You take him to an ambassador to be a diplomat for what? Is a diplomat barracks. They want to be in the barracks. So the paging has gone on. So now wanochika futi kuti vanaya vakataka page yako vakabata. Naso kandona chitaura na ningiri mprisa kadzinga zvonzi vari chicha vari kuronga. Ko ndini vakadzinga ka. So indotadza kutaura nevanhu vakadzingwa here. Moshayo iri pa. Totadza kutaura here. Our leaders must show leadership, magnanimity, humility, forgiveness. Forgiveness. Do you know I had a story recently of these two young people who were drunk. They came to my restaurant, they did and they were drunk. And I went to their boss and said, I cannot make a report to the police because they were drunk. If they are sober, will they do what they did? No. So God just said to me, we must forgive. That's leadership. Because if they are sober, they are diligent. But when one is drunk and you arrest them and you go and put a charge, they were drunk, he'll tell you, I don't even know half of the things I did. So where is that leadership, that forgiveness from our leaders? They are worried about the paging that they've done themselves. And some of the brilliant army officers, police and CIO were being paged. They were intelligent. So they worry. And so forth. So you then have this shadow that is following you and so forth. So I really thought it was important for them to understand that my meeting with Kasukwere is clearly to tell me as the chairman of the G40 coordinating committee which kicked us out with, is it true that China Tora Power? And Kasukwere says no, it's not true. And the reason why they don't like Kasukwere has nothing to do with me. Can I have a chair, I have two meeting much. So you cannot make me be an enemy of your enemy. I don't work like that. I've never worked like that. I'm Zimbabwean. We are young. I believe in a general consensus. The same way I'll go and see Chamisa, I'll talk to him. There's certain things I say, I want more. Sekuru. If you come to MP and so much parliament as retail. Imi mchada ukita president kawandi kana maita mchada uti istisungeti bude. Aiwa regerera kare. Regerera tere. And that's the advice I give because I think it's important at the end of the day. So we speak to each other on national issues. We speak to each other on generational issues as well, which are what we do and so forth. So I have a whole lineup of people to see asking what really should we do about the country, and all I want is our name cleared at the end of the day. Mkatuona mnotiti Gamma stocks and so forth. Vaida kutora power kuna Mugabe, but yes, Kasukwere utati no. It was just a ploy. But Jeromanye Pamapinda, Amurambi Muni narrative. You see, Ndagambopinda, election is and from Distributors and Sanda Pens. Chidakuja treasurer with the district. They can total 300 Shandi Wango. Nemascad, recent Ndioka game ranch. Structure. Vanda winner. Kasunda winner get Iowa. Candidates to chocolate imagine the win. And I started putting a proper structure here. So can I wapinda nechitsotsi kurumidza kudzirisa.